Hello children. In part 2b of algebraic expression and identities, we will continue with exercise 9.1, question number 3 and question number 4. In the previous part, that is part 2a, we had started with the exercise and done question number 1 and 2. Now, before starting with question 3 and 4, there are certain rules or certain points to be kept in mind while adding and subtracting the polynomials, which we have already studied in standard 7th. So, first of all, we will revise those points and then we will start with addition and subtraction of polynomials, which is question 3 and question 4. So let's remember those points which you had studied earlier. We can add or subtract only the like terms. The first rule is you can add and subtract the like terms only. You cannot add or you cannot subtract unlike terms. We add the terms with similar signs. If the terms are having similar signs, we add and give the sign of the bigger number to the result. So, some examples I have taken. I have taken two terms minus 5y and minus 8y. Now they have got similar sign, that is negative sign. Both the terms have got negative sign, so you add 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is 13, but it is not plus 13y. We have to give the sign of a bigger number which is negative, so minus 13y. Here 8xy plus 9xy, we add the coefficient, that is 8 plus 9, 17. So we write down 17xy and sign of the bigger number is positive. So I allot a positive sign. Same way here, minus 10abc and minus 5abc. The sign of both the terms are negative, so you add the coefficient. 10 plus 5, 15, and sign of a bigger number which is negative, so minus 15abc. So remember, if the signs are similar, you add and give the sign of a bigger number. Now, if the signs are not similar, we subtract and give the sign of the bigger number to the result. Minus 5y plus 8y. Here the signs are different. Minus 5 and plus 8. They are different signs. So you subtract 8 minus 5. First you subtract without the signs. That is 8 minus 5 is 3. And sign of a bigger number, which is 8, is positive. So plus 3y. Another example I have taken is 8xy minus 9xy. Here one is positive, another is negative. So signs are different. So what do you do? 8 and 9, which is greater? 9. So 9 minus 8 is 1, 1xy, and sign of a bigger number which is 9. So sign of 9 is negative. So minus xy. So answer is minus xy. We do not write minus 1xy because it is understood it is minus 1xy. Now, if there is a sign outside the bracket, we first simplify that and then proceed further. Like if there is a sign outside negative, so I will remove the brackets first. So I will get minus 2x minus 3. Here, when there is a positive sign outside the bracket, the signs of the terms inside the bracket will not change. They will remain as it is. Plus 5x and minus 2y. But here, when there is a minus sign outside the bracket, when you remove the bracket, the signs of the terms inside the bracket changes. If it is positive, it will become negative. And if it is negative, it will become positive. So here 2x plus 3, so minus 2x minus 3 when you remove the bracket. So after keeping all these points in mind, it becomes easier for us to add and subtract and we may not make a mistake. So let's begin with question 3, which is add the following. First one is AB minus BC. BC minus CA and CA minus AB. You have to add all these. So I put a positive sign in between. Now because there is a positive sign outside the bracket, when I remove these brackets, it will not change. You can directly write also AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. So here plus AB and minus AB gets cancelled. Minus BC and plus BC gets cancelled. Minus CA plus CA gets cancelled. Gets cancelled means their addition is 0. Minus CA plus CA 0. Minus BC plus BC 0. AB minus AB 0. So answer is 0. Second one, A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. I am adding all these terms. I am removing the comma mark, and in between I am writing the plus sign. So A minus B plus AB plus B minus C plus BC plus C minus A plus AC. As you can see, positive A and negative A gets cancelled. Minus B and plus B gets cancelled. Minus C and plus C also gets cancelled. What is remaining? AB plus BC plus AC. Third one, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 and 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. Now first of all, I will put a positive, remove this comma and put a positive sign in between. So 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 plus 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square q square. After this, now pay attention. You have to collect the like terms. See, here they are all unlike. Here also they are all unlike. But when you are adding them, and then you will collect the like terms. So I will make the like terms come together. So 2p square q square minus 3p square q square. Like term for 2p square q square is minus 3p square q square, because the variables should be same and their powers should also be same. Then plus 4 and plus 5, they are the constant, and minus 3pq plus 7pq. That is the another one. We collect all the like terms together. Now, after collecting the like terms, you see the coefficient of these two like terms. One is plus 2, another is minus 3. So, signs are different. When signs are different, you subtract. 3 minus 2, which is 1. So, 1p square q square. Sign of a bigger number, which is 3. So, sign is minus. So, minus p square q square plus 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now, here it is minus 3 and plus 7. Signs are different, so you subtract. 7 minus 3 is 4 pq. Sign of a bigger number, which is plus, so plus 4pq. Now I will arrange them in the form of their powers, according to their powers. Here p square q square plus 4pq plus 9. So this is the answer. Now, next one is L square plus M square plus N square plus L square plus 2LM, 2MN plus 2NL. I will add all this. After adding, what do? I collect the like terms. L square, which is the like term from here? Just observe. L square. So, one L square is here also. So, I write down them together. L square plus L square. Then here it is M square plus M square. N square plus N square. And then 2LM, 2MN and 2NL. Here, because there are no like terms for them, so I write down just as it is. After that, we know that L square plus L square is 2L square and M square plus M square is 2M square. Then n square plus n square is 2n square plus 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. You can leave it as it is, or you can take out 2 common. When I take out 2 common, it will be L square plus M square plus N square plus LM plus Mn plus NL. So this is how you add the polynomials. Now let's go to subtraction. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now you have already learned that in subtraction, whatever is written after from, we write first. So मैं पहले क्या लिखूंगी 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. But I will write it in a bracket. Make sure that you write in a bracket. Then put minus sign and then write down this expression in the bracket. After writing down this in 2 brackets, now we will open the brackets. Now you will think, then what is the need to write down the bracket? We should have directly written it. No, because here when we are subtracting, the signs inside the bracket changes. So here when I write in a bracket, it becomes easier for me to change the signs. So I will write down here there is a positive sign in front of it. So no need to change the signs. This all will be written as it is. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now when I removing the bracket, as there is a negative sign outside the bracket, all the terms, their sign will change for all the terms. 4a is positive, it becomes minus 4a. This was negative, it became plus 7a. This was positive, it became minus 3b. And this was positive, this also became minus 12. So now after that, I will collect the like terms. So 12a का like term है minus 4a. So I write down 12a minus 4a. Is there any other term with a? No. Now 9ab. Is there a term with 9ab? ab as the variable? Yes. Plus 7ab. So minus 9ab plus 7ab. The next is 5b. Which is the term? Just see. Minus 3b. So minus 3b. Minus 3 and minus 12. So let's see if anyone is left out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here also there are 8 terms. That means you have not left out any of the term. Now 12a and minus 4a. Signs are different. You subtract 12 minus 4, 8. Sign of a bigger number. So plus 8a. Here minus 9ab plus 7ab. Here the signs are different. Minus 9 plus 7. So you subtract. 9 minus 7 is 2. And here you write 2ab. Sign of 9 is minus. So minus 2ab. Then 5b minus 3b. Signs are different. So you subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 2b. And minus 3 minus 12 is minus 15. So here you get the answer 8a minus 2ab plus 2b minus 15. The next question. Subtract 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx from 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. We will write this first in the bracket, then write minus and then 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. Now this part we will open as it is. After that, when I am removing the brackets of this expression, the signs of all these terms will change. Here it is plus 3xy, it became minus 3xy, plus 5yz, minus 5yz, and minus 7zx, plus 7zx. Now I will collect the like terms. 5xy. 5xy I write down first. xy wale terms I will look for. So here minus 3xy. So I write down 5xy minus 3xy. Another is minus 2yz. So minus 2yz minus 5yz. So I write down minus 2yz minus 5yz. Then minus 2zx. Minus 2zx and plus 7zx. So I write here plus 7zx plus 10xyz. It does not have any pair. Now when we simplify, here it is plus 5 minus 3. Signs are different. So you subtract, you get 2xy. Signs are same, so you add. So it will be minus 7yz. Here the signs are different again. So you subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5. Positive sign, so plus 5zx. And this will remain as it is plus 10xyz. This is the answer. The next one, subtract. 4p square q minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8ap plus 7q minus 10 from this. So whatever is written after from, I write down in one bracket, put a negative sign and write this in the another bracket. When I open the bracket, the signs, this bracket will remain as it is of this bracket. That is 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square and plus 5pq. This will remain as it is. Then when I open this bracket, the positive term becomes negative, negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative, and negative becomes positive, and positive becomes negative, and negative becomes positive. After that, we collect the like terms, first the constant term, then all the terms with p, then with q, then with pq square, and then p square q. And after that, I get 28 plus 5p minus 18q plus 8pq minus 7pq square plus p square q. So this is the answer. You write this first. P square q minus 7pq square plus 5p minus 18q plus 8pq and plus 28. Always write the constant in the last. So this was the end of your exercise. You write down these sums in your classwork book and then practice by yourself. Now we will meet in part 4. Till then, stay home, stay safe.